Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can use the color picker tool in your designs and files on Figma. So let us get started. So that's a super example. We have a shape like this, or you may have a circle or rectangle. Let me go with that star icon or shape for demonstration purposes with that color here. So now you would like to apply a color from another item or object in your design, like for example that watermelon color here, just for the sake of this tutorial, and apply it to that shape. You may use the color picker tool for that to copy the given color's hex code. So let me show you how to do it, guys. To access the color picker, simply click on that Figma icon in the very top left corner to access your main menu. Hover your mouse over edit here, and here to the right from that following menu, hover your mouse over pick color, or use that shortcut here, or click into pick color, and that is going to change the cursor into that color picker icon. So simply left click into the given color you would like to copy. So let me head over to that reddish watermelon color here. Like that, you will see the given hex code here in that small window. So left click to take a sample of that, and that is going to apply also the color directly to the selected item or shape in this case here, and that's how it works. So let me give you another example again. Figma icon, edit, pick color, and now let me go with that grass green here, just like that. So super simple, as you can see. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.